Best 7 Vegan Breakfasts for Weight Loss. Number 1. Tofu Scramble with Kale and Sweet Potatoes. Whip up this tofu scramble made with sweet potatoes and kale. For those in a hurry, make this breakfast the night before and just warm it up in the morning. Number 2. Chocolate Oatmeal Protein Bars. A cross between oatmeal cookies and brownies, these chocolatey bars are so insanely delicious that you won't even guess there's protein powder added to the batter. Number 3. Cauliflower Porridge. If you love oatmeal, you've got to try this version made with cauliflower. Sounds weird, but once cooked and flavored, it tastes remarkably like oatmeal, honest. This bowl is topped with fresh strawberries, pears, and chopped raw almonds. This version of the classic morning meal is lower in calories, lower in carbs, higher in fiber, and higher in protein than a bowl of oatmeal. Holy breakfast win. Number 4. Blueberry Banana Overnight Oats. This healthy and filling plant-based breakfast is perfect for meal prep as it can be made the day before. As for reaching those weight loss goals, oats are packed full of fiber, iron, and protein, keeping you satisfied for longer and decreasing the chances of unhealthy cravings after breakfast. Number 5. Sweet Potato Toast. If you haven't tried this before, I urge you to run into your kitchen and give this healthy twist on toast a try. Sweet potato is rich in complex carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals that are essential for a healthy body, and they are filling enough to keep you satiated long after your breakfast. Top with your favorite nut butter, oil-free hummus, or smashed avocado, whatever floats your breakfast boat. Number 6. Jumbo Chickpea Pancake. Chickpea flour is high in protein, fiber, and naturally gluten-free. It's also an excellent alternative to pancake batter that is traditionally made with sugar, flour, and eggs, a less than perfect breakfast when trying to watch your weight or improve your health. This mouth-watering plant-based breakfast recipe for chickpea pancakes only takes 20 minutes from start to finish, making it an ideal option for your busy mornings. Number 7. Cinnamon Quinoa Breakfast Bowl. This refreshing quinoa breakfast bowl is exactly what you need to start your morning right, without compromising your weight loss goals. Inspired by oatmeal, quinoa takes the lead role and creates a heavenly, satisfying breakfast that will keep you full for hours. Quinoa is perfect for weight loss as it is high in fiber, protein, and has a low glycemic index. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. See you on the next video.